Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Join me today for a fall clean and decorate with me. I'm starting in the kitchen because it is early. By the time you guys see this, it would have been 2 weeks since I decorated, and my hubby is not on board with it, so I'm just starting small in the kitchen. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and let's tackle our messes together.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster.
To know what your favorite season is and why, and what do you like most about fall.
myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
Take a quick minute to introduce you guys to these new cordless rechargeable bulbs that I found on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the name of the company linked on the screen, and you can find the product down in the description box because I cannot pronounce this name. Thank you, I think it's Bork did, for sending me over these amazing bulbs. Love them. These bulbs are a game changer. They are rechargeable. They come with a remote control. They come with these little hooks you can use to hang them by themselves. Absolutely no outlets required for plugging in. It comes with these USB port to charge them. You can also touch it to turn it on or off, or adjust the colors, or you can use the remote control. These hooks are perfect for hanging it on a hook, hang it on a string. You can hang it anywhere you need additional light. So you can use it as a flashlight or lamp. It comes with 3 adjustable brightness, so from warm white, neutral white, or just plain white. You can also adjust the time of the indicator light that shows you that it's charging to prevent you from overcharging. So you see the red light that shows you that the bulb is currently being charged, and it can last up to 24 hours.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
My next video will be a power our whole house clean with me. So I'm going to try to get the entire house clean. It's going to be a mess, but I'm trying to get everything clean within 1 hour before my husband comes home from work. You guys don't want to miss that one, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. So guys, if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave me a comment down below. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.